But my mechanics, my fuel pump took a crap on me today using my angle grinder. I measured 5 inches from each lug nut, and that's how I got these results right here. Already cutting through right here. You know what I'm saying? So let's just go ahead and continue playing with this beast. Make sure you get you a cool little light or after you make your cut. Make sure you know what I'm saying, you can kind of see through there. You don't want to go too deep because you only get one chance to cut this. And make sure y'all got y'all PPE, personal protective equipment for real. Let me show you something. You see part of that fuel pump? Oh yeah. You see it right there, baby? Let's finish the job. Oh yeah, we're going to the end zone now. Going directly to the end zone. Check this out. I bend this pry bar. Oh yeah. Now, before you get done, recommend getting you some cool pry bars. And you know what I'm saying? That way you can lift this up. Because you don't want to, like I said, you only get the one chance at cutting this, so. And you see I got enough room to even go up in there and move that wire. That one right there. I got enough room to move that wire. You know what I'm saying? So get you something that's gonna make you be able to peek in there and see. But yeah, let's finish the job. We're pretty much done now. Wow, this stuff is so dusty. I can't even tell what color it is, man. It look like my stuff from the Titanic. Here's the finished results. Use my angle grinder. Kind of went overboard right there, but you know, I'm glad I didn't cut through the wire right here. And then when it's time to shut it, I'll probably go to Home Depot and drill me, you know, the screws that two right here that's gonna keep these secure. But yeah, it's easy. Just I spent $25 on the angle grinder. I had enough room to still maneuver and not even mess with no wires or anything. So yeah, mate. Yeah, make another video when my fuel pump get come in the mail. Let you know how it is, how easy it is doing it like this. Comment, subscribe.